Hey you guys, Em here from Munimade. Welcome to my channel for the very long-awaited first new release from our brand new factory. Long story short, we have transferred diamond painting production to an all-new factory, and in doing so, we basically had to start over from scratch in redesigning everything and building relationships with an all-new team of people. So as you can imagine, it has been a lot of work and a lot of stress, and there's just been a lot going on behind the scenes, but we have made it. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, and today I have an all new release for you guys. Finally, I have 3 pieces from the wonderful, the amazing, the talented, the awesome Kat Fedora. And they're just beautiful, and I love how they turned out. We've made a lot of improvements to our diamond painting kits. The most important one, I feel, in my opinion, is the grid on square diamond paintings. The drills fit together damn near perfectly now. They snap into place, and I feel like I'm placing drills straighter than I ever have before, and the finished product looks so clean, so nice, with like minimal gapping. It's just so satisfying. We've made it also other improvements to the plastic cover, the baggies, the drills come in, the ordering of the symbols, the vibrancy of the printing, the glue quality, like just literally everything and every little detail in our kits we've looked at and we have tweaked, and we have worked on making a new version of our product that we just really full-heartedly believe in the quality of, and I hope you guys agree with me and enjoy these new versions of our kits, and I hope you love the new art that we come out with. I get to show you guys 3 of them today. So Kat Fedora is known for her whimsical watercoloring. She makes things in a lot of different colors, with animals and just a lot of like forest scenery. It really is a very talented artist. Please check out her work on socials at Kat Fedora. And also, Jada Gem Shop carries some Kat Fedora diamond paintings as well, if you just need more and you've got an insatiable appetite for Kat Fedora diamond paintings. I'm actually recording a voiceover, so if you see my hands waving around, it doesn't match up. That's why. Just trying out something new way of putting these things together here. And remember, if you see something that you like, these are available now at munimade.com unless they're out of stock. But please don't be discouraged. Unless it has a discontinued tag on it, then it will be restocked at some point in the future. So please sign up for the back in stock email alerts and you'll be notified when we get our next shipment in. Thank you guys for your support and patience. And without further ado, let's take a look at these dreamy new art pieces. The first piece is titled With the Stars. It features a girl lounging in a chair with her feet up on a tree stump with a cozy little kitty friend sitting next to her. She's drinking some coffee or a cup of tea and staring up across the beautiful expanse of the nighttime sky. There's a forest in front of her, and she's almost like sitting in the middle of a gorgeous meadow with a bunch of hues of red and orange and green. There are just so many colors packed into this one. In the sky, there's these adorable stars and, of course, a beautiful blend of colors, which is classic to Kat's art style. If you look up close, this piece doesn't have a whole lot of color blocking, but it's also not super confetti heavy either. It has been hand rendered, but due to the watercolor nature of Kat's art style, there is a bunch of colors and they all blend together very nicely. There's actually 67 colors in this image, including 4 of them that are AB. This one is square drills. There are 51,400 drills in this image, and the size is 50 centimeters by 64 centimeters. So yes, a nice like mid-sized piece, not our largest, but also not the smallest either. Fun fact, this is one of Kat's most popular images when it comes to her shop and the prints that she sells. So hopefully you guys enjoy it in the diamond painting format. Here are the drills. A lot of just beautiful, rich, earthy tones, which, I mean, makes sense. It's a very earthy image. I'm going to open up the drills and take out those 4 ABs that are included in this one. Each kit comes with a tag that you can use how you please. I like to tuck mine into the drill pack so I can easily identify the painting that the drills go with. Here is the pre-cut sticker sheet that every kit comes with and makes kitting up a breeze. And here are the 4 different AB colors. We've got 1 gray shade and then 3 different shades of blue. I'm going to show you guys where these are used, keeping in mind that I'm only human and I just quickly look at the canvas and point out where the symbols are located, and I may miss some things. So first we will find where the gray AB goes. This is the most commonly used one. It's going to be found mostly up in the sky just to make the stars twinkle, in the highlights of her hair, in the steam of the cup she's holding, in the top of her pants as like a moonlight glow on the top of the kitty, as well as it is used in the flowers in the meadow that she is sitting in. So this one is just used a little bit all over the place to highlight the moon's glow, if you will. The next color we'll find is this minty AB color. This one can be found in the actual little star shapes up in the sky. And that is where that one is going to be used. Also a little bit more in the steam of her cup, and I believe on the tips of the highlights in her hair as well. The next one is this color blue. And this one is what the moon is made out of. The moon is made from ABs as well as some more stars throughout the sky. Just really wanted to make the nighttime sky come alive with those beautiful AB drills. And last but not least, there is another bluish gray color, looking great. And this one is used in more stars as well as plants and flowers in the field as well. So, yep, that is where those go. Here's the drills, the tag, and everything all together. Hope you guys love this one. And again, this one is called With the Stars, available now on Munimade.com. If you decide to get the premium upgrades with your purchase, this one will come with a large green Munimade dust cover bag, and I have paired it with a purple tray set that goes in the premium toolkit. I chose purple because it brings out the colors in the nighttime sky. Your tray will actually be full size. This is just a little swatch that I'm using to choose the color that goes with the canvas, but yours will be a size large tray and it will be a complete set. Hopefully that's not too confusing. I just like these little swatches. It makes it easy for me to choose the colors, and I think purple looks good. All right, so let's check out the next one. This one is called, I gotta look what it's called, Restful Earth. Oh my goodness, this one is just breathtaking. It's a little bit larger than the last one. It features a kind of like cozy reading nook inside of a tree, and a girl is cuddled up with a bunch of blankets and all her little animal friends, and she's reading them a bedtime story in front of the fire. It is just all things cozy. It makes me so happy and makes my heart feel warm and fuzzy. There's a polar bear, a fox, a wolf, a bunny, a cat, a moon with a little birdie sitting on it, beautiful florals behind the stump. There's just like literally everything you can ask for. Beautiful quilts all piled around, a bookshelf filled with knickknacks. It's just stunning, and the colors just work so well and make me feel things. So Restful Earth by Kat Fedora. This one's round. This is our round one in this release. It's got 58,512 drills in this one. The size is 60 centimeters by 78 centimeters. There are 69 different colors in this image. Here's the drill pack. There are 4 ABs included in this one, which I will take out and try to locate where they go for you. I wish I could make every single painting in both square and round, but because I hold inventory, I've kind of got to make some decisions, and I chose to go with round in this one. Hopefully my round lovers will be happy. Here's the little pre-cut sticker sheet and the tag that comes with every one. We've got a peach AB, a yellow AB, a blue one, and a white one. The peach AB is going to be found mostly in the plants that are going up the side of the tree stump and in the little mushrooms that are up there as well. Get a little peek at my crazy hair. Did not mean to do that. And there's also just like some peach shading around the tree stump as well. And I'm sure it's like in some other places too, because there's a bunch of it. It's just like hard to find when you're right there looking at it. All right, so then we got the yellow. The yellow is for the moon, so the moon glows. I love making the moon and the stars glow in Kat Fedora pieces. If you can't tell, that's just like something I like to do. It's also in a few places in the tree as well, just where it shares that same color, and it's going to have like a nice warm glow. Then we've got this blue AB. It's going to be found on the window pane above the fireplace. So this is almost like a little house in the tree. And this is also used in the stars in the sky to make those twinkle. And then last but not least, we've got our white. We've always got to have a 5200 AB, it seems like. And this one's going to be used in the twinkle stars among the bottom of the image and around, I'm sure, in the sky and stuff like that too. So those are the ABs. Here's the drills, everything all together. If you decide to get the premium upgrades with this one, it is going to come. I'm looking for the tag here because I always lose everything. There it is. If you decide to get the premium upgrades with your purchase, this one is going to come with an extra large purple Munimade dust cover bag, and I have paired it with an orange tray set in the premium toolkit. Yours will be a full-size large one. It'll be a set with a lid and stopper and all that jazz, but I chose orange to bring out those orange hues in the fireplace and in the plants going up the side of the tree trunk. This one's so gorgeous, and it is called Restful Earth, available now at munimade.com. And last but not least, I've got our biggest size painting in this little grouping to show you guys next. I'm so excited. This one is called Books and Things. Oh my God, is it not just so perfect? It is a whimsical bookshelf with a kitty sitting on the top shelf. It kind of looks like a handcrafted shelf between two beautiful tree branches. It's wrapped with vines and some beautiful twinkling star lights. It's filled with all kinds of knickknacks and books. They literally look like spell books. There's some herbs hanging and mushrooms and crystals. It looks like a beautiful bookshelf from a witch's den. It is just amazing. The rendering turned out so beautifully in this one. We tried to minimize confetti, but there's not going to be like a ton of color blocking because of the nature of it. There's a little candle crystal sitting on it, on the books, and a little chest with treasures inside, I'm sure. Just all sorts of things to explore. And the lines are sort of linear in some places, so you can probably get away with like using your multiplacer, going through all those books and making those straight lines and things like that. I don't know. There's a lot to explore in this piece. This one is square. It's another square release. There are 78,000 drills in this one. The size is 60 centimeters by 81 centimeters. Oh my gosh, here comes my little baby to come point out things to you guys. What can I say? He just wanted to help show off this gorgeous piece. There's 70 colors in this one and 2 packs of drills. So this had to be packed in 2 different packs because there's just like so many bags of drills and so many different colors. 70 colors, including 5 AB colors, which we will take out and see where they go. Of course, it comes with a sticker sheet. This is a hefty sticker sheet with a ton of different symbols and a ton of different colors. If you'll notice, the specialty drills have like a colored background behind them, so you can easily identify in your kit up system which of the drills are the specialty ones, because I know, with ABs you got to use like different wax and stuff. So yeah, bunch of different colors: green, yellow, white, blue, and a terracotta orangish color. The first one is a green AB. We've got a lot of those. So those are going to be found all throughout the plants that are hanging down around the bookshelf. I don't know, just as a fun. This is like a good old fashioned chartreuse. I just love a good chartreuse. Green is just such an underrated color. So yeah, it's going to be found all in these leaves, also in the herbs hanging up top, and the mushrooms, and also in the green books. So just everywhere you see green, there's probably going to be a little bit of ABs with a heavy focus on the plants. If that makes any sense. Yeah, it's going to be in this green book here, this green book. It's just going to be a little bit everywhere, Just gotta love a good old green chartreuse AB. Next, we've got the yellow one. That one's going to be found in the lights that are wrapped around the bookshelf in the stars, making them look like they're turned on. And also, it's going to be found in the books again as well, just highlighting some of those beautiful detailing, the beautiful detailing on the side of the books. Then we've got a minty color AB. This one, I'm pretty sure, is used in the stars in the sky, if I'm not mistaken. Also, the yellow one is used in the flame of the candle. I forgot to say that, but yeah, the blue one is in the stars in the sky, of course. We can't forget the stars. It's just like very important, okay? Also in the outline of the candle, I know that there's some blue ABs on the side of the books. Yeah, and then we've got just like a tiny little bit of this orangish terracotta color, which is going to be used in the books at the bottom. We love a good old sparkly book. These are fancy books, okay? These are like spell books. Oh, also the terracotta color is used in the mushrooms hanging up top as well. Oh yeah, we've got 5 ABs. Last but not least, we have white, which is used, you guessed it, in the stars and in the string that is connecting the starlight, and in the candle, and probably in the side of the book. Wow, I'm getting a little bit predictable with this. Yeah, lots of ABs in this one. So pretty. Wonderful, wonderful piece for any book or kitty lover out there. And I hope you guys love it. So that one's Books and Things by Kat Fedora, available now at Munimade.com. If you get the premium upgrades with this one, it's going to come with an extra large Munimade purple dust cover bag, and I paired it with a gray large tray set in the premium toolkit, just because I felt like that was a cute complement to the kitty on the shelf. Shout out to black cats, because they're like one of the least adopted cats, but why? Literally, why? They're so cute and just remind me of witchy goodness. So yeah, that is it in this batch, this release. Hopefully you guys enjoy them, and I hope you appreciate the new quality upgrades that we're bringing to you guys. And thanks again for your patience and waiting for these to come out. I hope the wait was worth it. And thank you to Kat Fedora for being a talented, amazing artist and choosing to work with Munimade. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much to the members of this channel. Hopefully, you guys have a wonderful time crafting wherever you are. Let me know if you plan to purchase any of these pieces and which one's your favorite. I do have more Kat Fedora pieces coming soon, because I know you guys love them, and I do too. So stay on the lookout for that. I have lots planned. Thank you guys. Have a great day. See you soon. I never know how to end these things, so I guess I'll just say goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.